Good morning, my dear students. I am so happy because all of you attend our online exam very well and earned good marks. In previous class, we discussed about some textual works and other works. Now, today, we are going to discuss some questions. All of you open your notebook and write it in your notebook. Are you ready? Okay. All of you take your notebook and follow me. Listen here. First question. What forms our environment? Listen here. What forms our environment? What forms our environment? Listen here. What forms our environment? Say, what is the answer? Yes, the things around us forms our environment. Things around us forms our environment. Listen here and write it in your notebook. Things around us forms our Listen, things around us forms our environments. Listen, all of you listen here and write it in your notebook. Things around us forms our environment. Land, water, air, plants, animals, peoples, buildings and all other things make up our environment. Okay. Next, second question. Can you follow me? Yes, very good. Second question. Write the name of any two man-made things and any two natural things. Listen. Write any two man-made things, any two man-made things and any two natural things, any two natural things. Okay. Write any two man-made things and natural things. Answer. Listen. Man-made thing. Man-made thing. Yes, very good. Man-made thing. Table, car. Table, car. Okay. Next, natural thing. Next, natural thing. Yes, natural thing. Very good. Trees. Okay. Trees. Animals. Trees. Animals. Yes. All of you write it in your notebook. Do you finished? Yes. Next question. Third question. All of you listen here. All of you listen here. Third question. Where do animals and plants where do animals get their food from? Get their food from? Food from. Yes, correct answer. Yes, animals get their food from other animals and plants. Listen here and listen here and write it in your notebook. Listen here. Third question. Where do animals get their food from? Yes. Animals get their food from other animals and plants. Okay? Animals get their food from other animals and plants. Next question. Fourth question. Listen. Name any three. Name any three. Name any three man-made things. Man-made things in your classroom. In your classroom. Okay, it is right. Say table. Okay. Table. Table. Next, chair. Chair. Next, third one. Okay. Books. These are man-made things. These are man-made things. All of you finished? Do you finished? Yes. Listen here. Listen here. Next question. Fifth question. Fifth question. Write any three. Write any three. Any three. Any three. Difference between. Difference. Any three. Differences. Differences between. Differences between living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. Non-living things. Write any three differences between living things and non-living things. Okay. Answer. Yeah. Living things breathe air. Living things breathe. Listen. Living things breathe air. Living things breathe air. Say, non-living things? Yes, non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things yes, non-living things do not breathe. Do not breathe. Okay. Next. Living things eat food. Yes, living things eat food. Living things eat food. Yes, non-living things do not eat food. Non-living things do not eat. Non-living things do not eat. Non-living things do not eat. Next, third. Remember? Yes. Do you remember? Yes. Next, living things grow. Living things grow. Yes, living things grow. Okay, non-living things do not grow. Non-living things Listen here. All of you write it. I hope all are finished. Yes. Listen here. Third difference between living things and non-living things. Living things yes, living things grow. Living things grow. Non-living things do not grow. Very good. Yes, non-living things do not grow. All of you completed this work. All of you close your notebook. Yes, close your notebook. Next, you open your textbook. Textbook page number 107. 107. Okay. Yes. Listen here. There is some works. There is some works fun to do. Fun to do. Listen. Fun to do. All of you listen in your textbook. Who am I? Choose from the parts. Choose from the parts. Listen. First word, needle. Second, bottle, chair, table, comb, clock. Okay. Yes. Listen in your textbook. First one, I have an eye but I cannot see. I have an eye but I cannot see. All of you listen in your clouds. Listen. There are some words, needle, bottle, chair, table, comb, clock. Yes, you choose it. Okay, needle. First one, needle. Needle. Okay. I have an eye but I cannot see. Okay. Next one, second one. All of you listen in your textbook. I have arms but I cannot hold. I have arms but I cannot hold. Okay, very good. Chair. Second, chair. Okay, next, third one. Next, third one. I have handles. I have hands but I cannot write. I have hands but I cannot hands. I have hands but I cannot write. Yes. Okay. Very good. Clock. Clock. I have hands but I cannot write. Next. Fourth one. I have legs but I cannot run. I have, yes, I have legs but I cannot run. Look in your cloud. Needle, bottle, chair, table, comb, clock. Which is the right answer? Very good. Table. Table. Next. Next, fifth one. I have teeth but I cannot bite. I have teeth but I cannot bite. Yes, listen. Listen the picture. Listen. I have teeth. Listen here. Comb. 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 Okay. And sixth and last one. I have a neck but not a head. I have a neck but not a head. Listen your textbook. There is a picture. Listen. What is this picture? Yes, bottle. Yes, bottle. All of you write it in your notebook. Write it in your notebook. This chapter, our environment. The name of our first chapter is our environment. This chapter is completed. I am going to give an assignment for you. Listen here. Robots are man-made and non-living things. Robots are man-made and yes, non-living things. But they do many things. Okay, robots are man-made thing and non-living thing, but they do many things. Okay, there is an assignment for you. Listen here. Robots are man-made and non-living things. Man-made and non-living things. Robots are man-made and non-living things. But they do many things. But robots do many things. Your assignment is find out what robots do. Find out what robots do and how they do it. What robots do and what they do it. Our first chapter is completed. I hope all are doing well. Thank you.